We recently upgraded our Keurig machine. This has the water jug on the side, super easy to take it off, fill it, put it back on. You can actually swap this to sit at the back if you don't want to. This is how we liked it displayed. Power on, you can make it strong, different size options, and the over ice was interesting. We've had a Keurig before, so it was the Keurig single serve with the pot, which we barely used. That's why we got this one. But I do find this one like opens quite wide, whereas previous models, you almost like scratch your finger on this to get it out. So I like that feature about it. My husband uses his Yeti every morning. It does not fit under here, but you can easily take this out, and the Yeti Rambler or tumbler fits nicely. I do have a larger, like a taller coffee mug that fits under there very well, and a standard large mug fits under beautifully. It's very quiet compared to the older model of Keurig that we have. We really like it, easy to use. My only wish is that the volume capacity, like how much water you could put in this, was a little bit more. I believe it has enough to make 4 12-ounce servings, and then you'd have to refill it. So depending how often you drink coffee will determine whether you have to refill it.
I have descaled this unit. The descale light is on. And if you Google this, on several of the models of this Keurig machine, you are unable to turn off the descale feature. I have watched several YouTube videos. Most are jokes about how it doesn't work. Contacted Keurig, nothing.